Jenny, and let's introduce our self-service kiosk, and let's come close. And this is our software, and this one are just the background control. And let's just see our software first. As you can see in the screen, this is you can set advertisement on the first display. Click on the screen to start ordering. So you can choose the different language. We have English and Chinese here, and a dining in or takeout. So when you see our menu, there are you can upload your picture and you edit the price on the menu. So there are the different dishes. Okay. This is the unit price. So you can just edit the different practice. It's like the different text on the background control. You can add the different units. Then you select all the dishes as you want. When you can click this button. Okay. So when you can just make payment by cash or the card. So we can just do this one. So when you may just click the cash, this thermal printer will print a receipt. So you can go to the counter to just make payment. That's it. And okay, let's come to the background control. You can just edit the background control on this application. As you can see, there are so many different kinds of language, like the Spanish or Chinese, Korean, Malaysian. So we can see the English first. So this is the background control. They have the production and dining or department or the different range here. So you can just edit your dishes taste in here. It says 4 like this, or this is can just when you get the drink, you can add ice or the sugar on the displays. So you can just edit the different taste and like the name of varieties on the software. So it is easy to use. So as you can see the discount here. You can set the discount type or 10% off here. Because this is on our kiosk, so many words can see clearly, but you can just install our background control on your laptop or computers, so you can see all the details more clearly. That's it.